Hi, so today I will be showing you how to pick this combination lock without any sort of combination. Now, the combination for this lock currently is 0, 0, 0, 0. As you can see, the lock opens. Now, we're going to reset this lock. So we're going to push it down on this little notch here. We're going to turn it counterclockwise to these two right here. Now, I'm going to scramble it. Now again, I will do this without any sort of tool. So now once I've scrambled it, I'm going to turn it back, push it up, turn it, and then push it back down into its little hole. Now I'm going to scramble it up again so I have no idea what the combination is. And let's get picking. So the first thing to do is to hear this little clicking sound. Now this little clicking sound will be really, really helpful because when I was first starting, I would just like push it back and I would have no idea how far I would go. And so I would always assume like all of these were like really loose. But now when you hear this little clicking sound, you know you can actually start. So now I'm gonna hear this little clicking sound here. And you basically, okay. One thing before you actually start picking, you need to make sure they're all lined up with each other because if they're not, it'll totally throw you off. So now I pull the shackle back. Hear for a little clicking sound, and I move these. Now, those moved not at all, which is not exactly what we're looking for. What we're looking for is for a looser one. Let's see if I can find one. Yes, maybe number 2? Yeah, okay, number 2 is number 4. So number 4 on number 2, that's what we're looking for. So you can see it's looser than the others. That's what we're looking for. So when it's looser, that means you know you have the right one. And we'll just keep doing that. Now I'll skip this one to move on to number 3 and 4. Looks like number 3 is number 5. And we'll keep on doing this with number 1 and 4 until we find the right combination. There we go. There we go. Sometimes that happens, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you just have to keep going. But if it didn't do what I just did, and there was like, and this one was this one was like 9, and then this one was like 1, then obviously this one would be wrong, this one would be correct. And if that happens, and you know you have all the other 3 right, like 1, 2, and then 3, or like 1, 2, 3, something like that, you can just at this point just guess with the other last number, and you just kind of push it in and out. So that one combination was 2, 4, 5, 9. Now let's try this again. So we're gonna push it down, we're gonna turn it again, and we're gonna scramble it. Once you think it's scrambled, you're gonna turn it back, pull it up, push it back down, and scramble it again. So, make sure they're all lined up. And then I'm gonna hear this little clicking sound, and I'll start feeling. Do we have one here? Nope, okay. We're just gonna keep feeling and feeling until we feel like we've got the right one. And now make sure when you pull this back and you're done with this little row, you have to like just release it, because otherwise if you pull it back, you'll never be able to like get them to different numbers. Now let's try this. Let's see, there we go. There we go. Number 1 is number 1. Now we'll try number 2, 3, and 4. We should be getting close considering we've done most of these numbers already. Okay, so number 2 is 0. All right. There we go. Okay, so number 3 is number 9. And now, like I said, on the last one, you can just, at this point, guess. Because we already have all the other numbers. Just gotta make sure. One more time. Yep. And you just keep going. And there you have it. That's how you pick this combination lock without any sort of tools. Now remember, only use this method on locks you own or have permission of the lock's owner. Just make sure to stay legal. And that's how you do it.